Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, October 27 to 29, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat today, Wednesday until tomorrow, Thursday. We have the emergence of the Northeast Monsoon now affecting the northern and central portions of the Philippine Islands. Pag-asa has announced the onset of this monsoon or the winter monsoon last Monday. So it's now affecting the northern portions as well as the eastern sections of Luzon, including Calabarzon, Metro Manila, Bicol region. So expect some passing rain showers on and off. Although there are some sunshine in between and some cloudy conditions, overall the monsoon is quite wet, particularly here over the Bicol region. Elsewhere across Mimaropa, Visayas, particularly the northern and eastern sections, they will be affected by the northeasterly southeast wind flow or the weak Amihan. While here over the areas of Mindanao is the leftover of the trough from Malu and 26W, remnants of 26W. So this is now known as the Surface Trough. So it will bring some thunderstorms again across Mindanao and the southern and central portions of Visayas. Okay. While here over Iloilo, western Visayas, will be under the northeasterly surface wind flow. Here's tropical cyclone Malu upgraded into a typhoon, and it's now packing winds of 70 knots or 100 or 130 kph, and it's moving slowly towards the northeast, and it is being attached already with this broad frontal system. So in the next few days, Malu will begin to accelerate towards the northeast. Okay, so far that's the latest from GovSat. Just take all necessary precautions against flash floods and landslides when we have severe thunderstorms occurring over your area, just like what happened over Davao and the Mindanao area. So take all necessary precautions. Here's the fast animation. As you can see, here's the departing tropical cyclone Typhoon Malu, which is now approaching Iwoto, formerly Iwo Jima, and we have here the trough affecting Mindanao and the northeasterly monsoon or the northeast monsoon affecting northern and eastern Luzon, Bicol region, Calabarzon, Metro Manila, and northeasterlies across Mimaropa and Visayas. Here's the remnants of 26W crossing central Vietnam. And if we take a look at the Asian tracks of Malu, they still continues to agree that the system will move towards the northeast without any landfall at any portions of the Western Pacific. And the global models as well. Here's also the tracking of 26W. Here's Malu. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, for the next 24 hours, beginning 8 a.m. this morning until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, there could be some showers and some thunderstorms across eastern sections of Luzon, Bicol. Visayas will be more likely to have strong thunderstorms, and Mindanao brought about by the surface trough. So there is some sort of a wind convergence here for the next 24 hours. And for the next 3 days, could also expect some showers and thunderstorms still occurring across eastern Luzon, especially along Cagayan Valley, Quezon Province, and also across the eastern sections and northern sections of Samar, eastern sections of Leyte, and as well as the northern sections of Panay and Cebu, also the northern sections of Negros, Bohol, Sulu Archipelago, coastal areas of Palawan, as well as large portions of Mindanao. So these are rains with thunderstorms for the next 3 days until Friday. This is due to the northeasterly surface wind flow, the Northeast Monsoon, as well as the trough located over the area of Mindanao. Now let's take a look at the 3-day wind, rain, and pressure forecast from European model. So Thursday afternoon, or this afternoon, or tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon we could expect some rains and thunderstorms as well across Palawan, Visayas. And on Friday, still some showers and thunderstorms will be expected because of the northeasterly surface wind flow and some convergence of the northeast and easterly winds across Mindanao and portions of Visayas. So far for the next 10 days until November 5, we don't have any tropical cyclone development that could affect the Philippines, as well as it enters the Philippine area of responsibility. It's all clear for until November 5. And if we before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook of the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for the next 2 weeks. So for week 1, valid October 27 to November 2, the Philippine Islands, particularly Luzon, will be having a 50-50 chance or medium chance of below average rainfall. So meaning the rainfall activity will be below the climatic norm, okay, or the climatic mean. So expect some decrease of rainfall over this area. And 50-50 chance of another tropical cyclone development east of Guam, but it is expected to move northward. And on week 2, valid November 3 to November 9, another this will be a higher percentage for the second week, but again, changes will still occur. So this is the below average rainfall occurring across Luzon and portions of Mindoro beginning November 3 to November 9, while a 50-50 chance of a tropical cyclone developing to the east of Guam or north of Truk Islands or Shook Islands. So expect possible formation here, but it's still at 50% of medium confidence as of this time. So far for the next 2 weeks until November 5 through 9, we could be experiencing some absence of tropical cyclone and decrease slightly of rainfall. But again, due to La Nina, which has started this month of October, rainfall will still be above average across various portions of the country, particularly the southern sections. Okay, so that's the latest for this Wednesday through Friday, and we will return on Friday to give you the latest update for this coming All Saints and All Souls Day. So again, this has been Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.